Areca palm, commonly called bamboo palm or butterfly palm, is native to moist forest areas in Madagascar. It has naturalized itself in Reunion, El Salvador, Cuba, Puerto Rico, the Canary Islands, southern Florida, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, Jamaica, and the Leeward Islands. Although endangered in its native habitat, it is commonly available in commerce throughout the world for outdoor plantings or as a houseplant. This multi-stem palm is now considered to be the most popular palm sold as a houseplant. Outdoors, it will typically grow to 12 to 30 feet tall. Multiple ring, cane-like, yellow stems grow from the base of the plant in clusters. Stems sometimes resemble bamboo when suckers are removed, hence the common name bamboo palm. Stems are topped with pinnate, upward curving, light green leaves with yellow midribs. Yellow flowers bloom in summer in panicles to 2 inches long. Flowers are not particularly showy. They're followed by small yellow-orange fruits that mature to nearly black. Another common name for this palm is golden cane palm in reference to its yellow stems. Outdoors, Areca palms prefer a part shade setting. Indoors, many owners struggle to find an area with the right amount of light. Areca palms need a lot of bright light, but don't do well in direct sunlight. If the room gets lots of sunlight, you can filter it with curtains or blinds. Your plant will be happy behind a see-through curtain or in front of a windowsill that receives a lot of natural daylight. If the leaves start to turn yellow, consider moving the pot to a brighter location. As far as companion planting these palms, they make a great backdrop for large or medium shrubs such as hibiscus, copper plant, and jatropha. According to NASA, the leaves create good humidity in the house and purify the air. The palm reduces harmful substances and increases the amount of oxygen in the room. It is often considered to be one of the best air purifying plants.